Oh, we're gonna do it again because I guess I didn't hit the button properly. Good boy. Right here, boy. Cyrus. Nah. Hey.